Want to join the AWeber affiliate program but not sure how? Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of becoming an AWeber affiliate and give you some key insights into how it compares to other options you might be considering. First things first, joining the AWeber affiliate program is pretty straightforward. You need to sign up for an account on their affiliate platform. Once you're logged in, you can easily navigate to the affiliate section, which will guide you through the sign-up process. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details about your website or marketing channels where you plan to promote AWeber. Once your application is approved, you'll get access to their unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Next thing, let's talk about how much you can earn. AWeber's affiliate program is a two-tier structure, meaning you can earn money not only for the customers you refer directly, but also for the customers referred by your sub-affiliates. You get a 30% recurring commission on the first year. That means as long as your referral stays subscribed, you keep getting paid every month. This makes AWeber's affiliate program pretty appealing if you're looking for long-term passive income. The third thing to consider is the payout structure. AWeber pays affiliates monthly, and the minimum payout threshold is just $30. So it's pretty easy to hit that mark if you're putting in consistent effort. You can also track your commissions in real time through their dashboard, making it easy to see your progress and plan your next steps. But here's the catch. While AWeber is an established name in the email marketing space, their program doesn't have the highest commissions in the industry. Some alternatives offer a higher payout percentage or even upfront bonuses for new customers. So you might want to consider your long-term strategy when choosing the best affiliate program for your niche. The fourth thing I want to mention is AWeber's features. AWeber is known for its easy-to-use platform and automation features. It has a wide range of templates, list-building tools, and analytics that make it a solid option for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. But let's be honest, it's not the most feature-rich compared to some other tools out there, especially when you compare it to software like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. So if you're promoting it, you'll want to make sure your audience knows what they're getting and whether it's the best fit for their email marketing needs. But here's a big reason why you might want to stick around. While AWeber is solid, I've got an even better alternative that you should consider, one that's specifically designed for affiliate marketers and comes with a longer, more exclusive free trial. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to that offer, which might just be a better match for your goals as an affiliate marketer. Plus, I've also included some other options that come with free trials and features tailored to growing your email list more effectively. So, to recap, AWeber's affiliate program is easy to join, offers recurring commissions, and gives you plenty of resources to get started. But there are other platforms out there that might be a better fit for your long-term strategy, especially if you're looking for higher payouts or more advanced features. If you're ready to take the next step, hit the link in the description for your exclusive and extended free trial to AWeber, and check out the alternatives I mentioned that might be a better fit for your affiliate marketing goals.